Alright, so in chapter 4, section 5, we're taking derivatives of log functions. And so they have the ones for the natural logs. So the derivative of the natural log is 1 over x. If we do some types of substitution, we have 1 over u times the derivative of u. So the derivative of the natural log of x is 1 over x. And then we have ones for non-natural other bases. Let me find them. I've lost them. Here we go. So these are for exponential functions that are not base e, and these are for log functions that are not the natural log. So there's these different rules here, and we'll explore some of those and the problems. So like on number 3, we're dealing with the natural log, but I always kind of like to say, what do you see here? If you see natural log of x over x to the 9th, hopefully you see a quotient rule, right? We see something divided by something, and that's when we do that low d high minus high d low over low squared. And so that we would be doing a quotient rule with, and so I'll do a video with that. Another one is like number 5, so it's the natural log of something, right? So whenever we do this one, it's going to be the natural log of u, which is just 1 over u. But then we have to multiply it by this du, the derivative of u, and so then we're going to have to bring out a product rule. And somehow it nicely converts out to all this. Again, when you're doing these derivatives, you do not have to simplify it. You could have 1 over the u value, whatever this is in terms of x, multiplied by its derivative, and that would be fine. You do not have to get the exact same format that they do. But I'll do a supplement on that one. Number 8, so we're dealing with an exponential that has a different base. And so this one's kind of like following this rule right here. So it'd be 1/8 to the x times the natural log of 1/8. Right? Now, they made it look a little different, but I wouldn't do it that way. I would just say it's 1/8 raised to the x. So I would have, let me blow that up a little bit. So if it's 1/8 raised to the x, I would have 1/8 to the x times the natural log of 1/8. And that is equivalent to this. That's just dealing that 1/8 is the same thing as 8 to the negative 1, and they're just manipulating it differently. And on number 10, so we're finding the derivative, right? And so I have some product rules going on. I have a base with a different function. So I have some product rule things going on in here. So I'll do 3, 5, and 10 in the supplement. But again, your rules are going to be in this chapter 4, section 5.